If you are looking for ways to make passive income source that will allow you to earn money meanwhile you are sleeping, then this video will help you. Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Samoud, and in this channel I talk about passive income, making money online, online business idea, and all good things to make you rich and free. So in today's video I'm gonna show you a simple and easy way to generate passive income while you sleep. How? Simply, we are going to share our internet. Another way, we're gonna sell our unused internet. All what we need is just to install software called Honeygain and sign up, install the software and let it run in the background. I have been testing this app for a few days before I do this tutorial, and I really didn't notice any effect neither to my laptop performance or to my internet speed, and it's 100% secure. No personal information will be shared. If you are new here, please make sure to click on the subscribe button, activate the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a fresh content, and thank you. Now let's go to the practical part. The first thing that you need to do is to go to the official website. You will find the link in the description. And if you sign up using my link, you will get $5 welcome bonus. So all what you need to do is go to this website, then go to download for Windows and let the installer finish. Then meanwhile you can go to dashboard and sign up for your account. So you can sign up with Facebook, sign up with Google. I already created an account, so I will just say sign in now, log in, and I will log in using my email. So this is my dashboard. This is the $5 welcome bonus, and I have been running this app now for 2 days and I got a 29 cents. It's not that bad, but it's passive income, so all what you need to do is just run it in the background. Now let's talk about numbers. I'll show you a tip how to maximize your profit, how much you can earn, and is it worth or not. So let's start by number. How much you can earn using this app? Approximately, depending on your IP location, you will get like from $2.5 to $3 in a month. Considering that this is just passive income, that you don't really need to do anything, just to install one app and let it run in background, and that's all. Yeah, for me it's worth. But the income is like $3 per month is nothing. But I have a way to maximize your profit. How? There is a lot of several similar apps in the market. You need to make sure that you choose the right one because some of them are scam. I will put in the description the trusted app that you can download, and there is no harm. They are not really using too much from your internet, they are not using your laptop performance, they are not making your laptop slow. So basically it's free money. Now let's calculate. If you have 5 apps and you are earning $3 per app in a month, that's $15 in a month for free without really doing anything. You just, there's application working in background and you are just using your laptop normally. So $15 per month, yeah, that's worth. You will find the links of the apps in the description there. If you sign up using that link, you will get from each app welcome bonus like $5, around that. Each app is have a different welcome bonus for the referral. Note, your earning will be slow in the beginning, but that's normal because they are testing your internet. And then after a while it will increase regularly. So I tell them, let them run in the background, forget them, and just when you have the collect the $20 like for Honeycane to request payout, just do it. I mean, it's easy money. So, in conclusion, it's a free, effortless money without any harm. It's not huge, but considering that it's passive income, like I said, it's worth. But of course, there is many other ways even better to make money online. If you want to know more, you check my videos. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and please, if you find my content useful, like and subscribe. It's worth 1 second of your time, but just to appreciate a day of my work. Peace.